Hello, computer scientists. This is Ms. Hoffman. Today we are going to explore and write algorithms. Do you know what an algorithm is? Algorithms are the building blocks of computer programs, and they are everywhere in our daily lives. Don't believe me? All right, well, I'll prove it to you. Get ready, because we are about to jump into the world of computer programming. And here we go. This lesson has one vocabulary word that is important to know, and that word is algorithm. Say it with me. Al-go-ri-thum. Say it again. Al-go-ri-thum. Pause the recording to say each syllable of algorithm and write down the letters for the sounds you hear as you say the syllable. Algorithm. An algorithm is a list of steps that you can follow to finish a task. Well, I just gave you a task, didn't I? The task was to write the word algorithm. And what were the steps that I gave you? First, I told you to pause the recording. Next, I told you to say each syllable of algorithm. Then, write down the letters for the sound you hear as you say the syllable. Well, that is an algorithm. Were you able to write the word? We could write those steps in a little differently in a way that would make it easier for a student or even a computer to use them to write any word. Computer scientists use algorithms like this to write programs that tell a computer what to do. A program is an algorithm written in code language. We can write the steps or algorithms for things we do every day. Algorithms are everywhere. You can write an algorithm for things that you do every day. So what are some things you do every day? Let's think about your morning routine. What are the things you do to get ready for school? Make a list of everything from the time you open your eyes until you leave the house. Got the idea? Great! Now share your algorithm with a friend and see if they can complete the task the same way. Work together to add new details and steps until your partner can complete your entire task exactly the way you did. Now, you have an algorithm. Great job! Alright, it's your turn to create your own algorithm. Think of a task, write the steps, and check it with a friend. If you need a task, check in with your teacher or try one of these ideas. Share your thoughts and ideas with your class in a discussion forum in your Schoology course. Speech bubble icons, such as this one, tell you this is a place for you to join the discussion. Click the title link. The discussion opens to the Info tab. This is where your teacher has shared their instructions and expectations. Be sure to scroll down, read all of the instructions and information provided, especially the part that tells you what you need to post and what information your teacher is looking for. Read carefully and think about what you want to post. When you are ready, go back to the top and tap the Discussion tab. Then, tap the blue plus sign to add your comments into this discussion. Here you can use the on-screen keyboard to type. You can use the microphone key at the bottom of the keyboard, voice type. You can edit what you have typed, add additional information. You can even use the attach button to choose from the library, take photos or videos, or attach resources or other audio that you've recorded. When you are satisfied with your post and you're ready to share it with your class, tap the green check mark and your comment will be added to the bottom of the discussion with the class. It's that simple to add and share your information with your class in an online discussion forum. So, what do you think? Could you write an algorithm for posting in a discussion on Schoology? You bet you can! Like I said in the beginning, you can write an algorithm for any process. An algorithm is simply the steps to complete a task. Computer scientists put algorithms together and translate them into codes to create programs that tell computers and robots what to do. So, computer scientists, let's get to work writing and sharing our algorithms.